Hello, good morning. Welcome back to another vlog of mine. Today is early in the morning. I think it's 7:30 a.m. It's very early in the morning, and today I'll show you what I'm going to do the whole day. I've not vlogged for so long, and after such a long time, I'm starting my vlog once again. So please don't cut my video and watch the full video. And if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel. And today, as you can see, it's raining. Let me show you what I did the whole day. Okay, so now let me show you the surroundings around. It's raining. It's really, the weather is really cold, and there are some ice falling down. As you can see, there's some ice falling down, and the rain is really heavy. Hi, Durungi sama.
Coba ini phone deh na. Itu lah.
So as you can see, this is my room, and I just came back from my cousin's place, and I'm about to go back to their house again. But before going there, I need to clean up all this mess that I've done just now. So wait, okay, I'll be cleaning my room. So chalo, let's clean up the mess that I've done, and it's really messy, you know. I really don't like my room to be messy. So let me clean my room. I love keeping my room neat and clean. Now, 1, 2, 3, go! We will rock you. So this is my classroom. I just came to class, and right now we have no lectures because we are having a lunch break, and after this we'll have classes. So this is my classroom, and this is my classmates. 这里两个我吃了，为什么了？阿瑞尼，阿瑞尼，say hi. Hi itu Rama. After our lunch break, we'll have our history days, and after that, I possible vlog again. Some of my friends, they are practicing dance for farewell because they are about to perform a dance during the farewell. Here they are, and this is the dance teacher, Ingemo Arkikon. Samuel? After this, after they are done with their dance practice, I think we'll be heading home. And here I am going home since the dance practice are still going on, and I can't wait for so long. I have lots of work. I need to go for tuitions and so on. So I'm about to go home. So I'm back from college, and right now I'm at my brother's place, and we are gonna do some works, small works, like we're gonna bath the dog. So here is Zoro. So the cute dog is gonna take bath. Zoro, ya lanjut sekali kalau ya, Tika. Hai, Zoro, Zoro. It's Winnie's turn. Winnie. Bis Winnie. So we're all done. And it looks really clean. So now I'm gonna have a little Jana mix with lettuce. You can say that's mukbang, a small mukbang. So let me tell you how I eat. Okay, I'm really crazy about Jana mix and so on. Chilando. Say you know you're not that man then, no?
이게 진짜 아까 선생님하고 여기까지 준비하면 조금 더 길어요. 어디를 갖다가
At saka sino? It's really tasty. You really need to try this. Who knows? I guess you guys are also trying. Thanks to Kaka Lipini for making the Jana mix.
solid.
I guess you can hear me biting off the leaves. Last bite.
저 이까지 됐어. 가면은 저 이까지 됐어. 야, 이까지 됐어. 이까지 너 됐어. 이게 너도 내 동서
So right now I'm about to have my tuition classes, and I'm with my tuition student, Mr. Radabema. Say hi. Hi, Radabema. So we are writing. Show me 1, 2, 3, and so on. I'll have my tuition first because while having tuition I can't vlog because I need to concentrate in my students and I need to teach him. So here we are. He's writing. He's such a cute and innocent child. Radabema, I love you, Jaja.
Love you.
Sure. So wait on and watch my vlog, okay? My tuition is over and right now we're just hanging around. Ikali. So my tuition is over and now he's playing games and I'm in my cousin's place and I am about to have my dinner. I'll show you what curry we're about to have. But first I'll take shower and after that I'll have a dinner and after that I'll end my vlog. So do keep watching my vlog. I am done with my shower and now we are gonna have our dinner. So this is my sister's blade and this is my blade. It's well decorated than hers because this is not the exact amount of rice I eat. Okay, I eat more than this one, but just to show you how beautiful it is, only this one. So it is beef curry, black beef curry, and fried pig, and what's your brinjal, and what is this? Lady finger, lettuce, water, and so on. So I'm about to have my dinner. So this is it, and before having my dinner I would like to end my vlog from here today because my video is gonna be so long and I'm about to end my vlog. So if you are really new to my channel, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe and hit the notification bell. And if you really like my video, like and this share and comment down below. Thank you for watching my vlog and wait for my next vlog. Bye.